Welcome back to the physics class of class 10th. Last class we had studied about the torque and moment of force. Now next we will start with the couple. What do you understand by the term couple? See, a pair of parallel forces. Here we can say two equal, opposite and parallel force whose line of action are not same, acting on the body form a couple and produce a rotational effect. We can say it is either force and perpendicular distance between the two forces, force into couple arm. Yeah, two equal and opposite forces and parallel forces whose line of action are not same form a couple. These two equal and opposite forces always act at two different points, and such couple is always need a rotation. If a couple has tendency to rotate the body in anti-clockwise direction, its moment is taken as positive, and if the tendency of rotation is clockwise, the moment is taken as negative. So remember this one things, okay? So what is couple? Two equal, opposite and parallel forces whose line of action are not same, acting on a body form a couple and produce a rotational effect. So we can say first one, arm of couple. Perpendicular distance between two equal and opposite parallel force is called arm of couple. Moment of couple, the product of one of the force of the couple and arm of the couple, which is known as moment of couple, that is F into D. Example, turning of a tap water, tightening the cap of a bottle, turning a steering wheel, and some example where couple is used. Yeah, just you can see this an example, turning a water tap, tightening the cap, turning a key in the lock, here turning a steering wheel. Now moment of couple, if the product of either force and perpendicular distance between two force of a couple arm, we can say this one. See, from point A and from point B couple are moment of force at A, so OA multiply F, that is anti-clockwise direction. They see clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Moment of force at B, OB into F, that is anti-clockwise. So total moment of force OA multiply F plus OB multiply F equal to OB multiply F into D, that is anti-clockwise moment. So you should remember moment of couple is force into arm of couple. Force into arm of couple, and SI unit of couple is Newton meter and kg FM. It is not given there, but you should remember SI unit of couple is Newton meter and kg FM, and CGS, the unit of couple is Dyne centimeter and GF centimeter. Okay, gravitational force centimeter. Example, you know this one, couple produce only rotational motion and balanced by equal and opposite couple. Opening or closing a water tap, winding a clock with its key, opening and closing a bottle cap, steering the wheel of a motor car, turning of a screwdriver. These are some examples. Okay, now principle of moments. A body will be in the rotational equilibrium if algebraic sum of moments of all forces acting on a body about a fixed point is 0. Yeah, you can remember this one. Sum of all the clockwise moment is equal to the sum of all anti-clockwise moment. Yeah, clockwise moment plus anti-clockwise moment is equal to 0. The sum of clockwise and anti-clockwise moment will be 0. Okay. Now, see this one example. We can take an lever there of having a rod AB. Just you can see in this diagram, fulcrum is there in which we are balancing this one. This diagram you can see here. F1 and F2 are two parallel forces. So R1 equal to F1 plus F2, and rotational equilibrium we can take it F1 into D1 minus F2 into D2, that is anti-clockwise moment. We are taking as a anti-clockwise moment as positive and clockwise moment as a negative. So that is F1 D1 equal to F2 D2. Here you can remember like that. Sum of clockwise moment is equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. Weight W1 into D1 equal to W2 into D2. W1 into D1 equal to W2 into D2. Load into load arm, effort into effort arm. This is mechanical advantage of a lever. Okay. We will study this one and this formula in the simple machine also. But you remember here, sum of clockwise moment is equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. W1 into D1 equal to W2 into D2. Now, center of gravity. Mainly this one. You remember principle of moment as a sum